Here is how you can turn off the Reels on Facebook on your iPhone. Let me show you exactly how it works. And if it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, so whenever you open up your Facebook, you're going to notice that very likely the Reels are going to be at the bottom. So if you don't want it to be there and if you don't want to use that feature, you can tap on the settings, or at first go to your profile and at the bottom and then tap on the settings right there. This is going to give you the ability to manage the stuff regarding your account, but if you scroll down a little bit more, you can find the tab bar. The tab bar are essentially the icons which appear at the bottom. So you can click on this and then click on customize the bar, right? And you can see that there are things which are pinned and which are available, but you can find the reels and make sure that you select it from the auto or pinned option and make sure it's hidden. So that means that it doesn't show up in your navigation bar and it generally doesn't get recommended to you. So that's something or a way to kind of like limit your interaction with the Facebook Reels on the platform. On the other hand, if you would like to use the feature occasionally and you kind of like need more tools for that, you can as well go to the main settings app where part of the screen time section, you can set up the app limits. And you could technically set up a limit for the Facebook app. It's part of the social folder. And you can basically choose that you can only use Facebook for, let's say, an hour a day or 30 minutes, however you decide it to be. And that could also be a nice tool to prevent you from using the Reels too much. Obviously, up to you to decide and customize, but that is another tool which you might be interested in. So let me know your thoughts and opinions below about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you later in the future uploads.